Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? Number 2. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Suppose this is the water bottle and it contained 5 liters of water, right? If we divide this water into 5 equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose all the parts are equal, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts, right? Now Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water, 2 by 5 part. A 2 by 5 part, 2 by 5, right? Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of that water, 2 by 5 part of the water, right? Here you see there are 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vidya used 2 part, 1, 2. A remaining part Pratap used. That means remaining part 1, 2, 3, that is 3 by 5. That is, this is Vidya consumed, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 parts and Pratap consumed, that is 1, 2, 3, that is 3 by 5 parts, 3 by 5 parts, right? The question is Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water, right? Now total water quantity of water, total quantity of water, total quantity, total quantity of water is equal to 5 liters, is equal to 5 liters, 5 liters, right? Therefore Vidya consumed 2 by 5 parts, right? Therefore Vidya consumed Vidya consumed 2 by 5 parts. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5 liters, of 5 liters. Therefore it is equal to 2 by 5 of means multiply into 5 liters, right? If we change into lowest term, 5 1 5, 5 1 5, that comes to 2 liters. That means Vidya consumed 2 liters of water, 2 liters. Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Now, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Right? Now Pratap consumed now Pratap consumed Pratap consumed Pratap consumed how many parts? 3 by 5 parts, right? That is 3 by 5 parts, 3 by 5 of 5 liters, 5 liters. That is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 liters. 5 into 5, 5 into 5. That consumed 3 liters. 3 liters. The question was, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Here you see, Pratap consumed 3 liters and total quantity of water is 5 liters. Therefore, that is, Pratap consumed 3 liters and total quantity of water is 5 liters. Therefore, you can say that 3 by 5, that is 3 by 5 of the total quantity. Therefore, you can say that Pratap drank 3 by 5 of the total quantity of water, or you can say that Pratap, this is question number 1. How much water did Vidya drink? That is 2 liters. Vidya consumed 2 liters of water, right? And this is question number 2. And so this is question number 2. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Therefore, you can say Pratap drank here you see Pratap consumed 3 liters and total quantity of water is 5 liters. Therefore, Pratap drank 3 by 5 of the total quantity of water of the total quantity of water right. Now here see the first question, how much water did Vidya drink? Therefore, we can say that Vidya drank 2 liters of water. The answer of question number 1 is therefore Vidya drank 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water. Right. Here you see the total quantity of water is 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water, that is 2 by 5 parts. Therefore, Pratap used 3 by 5 parts. Therefore, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5 liters. That is 2 by 5 into 5, that is 2 liters. Therefore, you can say that Vidya drank 2 liters of water. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Pratap consumed 3 by 5 part. That is 3 by 5 of 5 liters. That is 3 by 5 into 5, that is 3 liters. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Here you see that Pratap consumed 3 liters and total quantity of water is 5 liters. Therefore, Pratap drank 3 by 5 of the total quantity of water. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.